Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Anoma token. Now before I start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Anoma is the decentralized OS powering a unified app layer for all Web3. With Anoma, developers can write one app that works on any chain. Anoma frees developers from complexity of infrastructure so they can focus on what matters, building apps and experiences that people love. Anoma introduces a next generation intent centric architecture optimized for a optimized for app development and UX, enabling Web3 support a rich ecosystem of apps that can finality complete with the functionality and experience of Web2. Anoma token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is around 2.5 billion XAN token. XAN token is listed on Bybit, Coinbase, Binance Alpha, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.